Very good evening, all of you. We are so glad to have today Patrick Steyaert with us. He is a founder of Okalawa. So let's start with him. Hi, Patrick. How are you doing?
Hi, Chirag. I'm doing really great.
Thank you so much. So, how is your experience been so far at Lean Kanban India conference?
Just like last year, I'm really enjoying the conference. So I just did my talk, and it was a great interaction with the audience. And so people are really eager to learn. So I'm really enjoying it.
That's great. So, what are the takeaways from the keynote?
From David's
David
keynote.
Anderson's keynote, yeah.
So we learned that so there's a path to becoming more mature in the organization. I also learned that sometimes we need to put a little bit of stress on organizations for them to advance. So I think that's a valuable lesson. Sometimes we do need a little bit more stress, a little bit stress, but not too much stress on the organization. Mm-hmm. So I learned that there's a structure to how we can progress in organizations. Yeah.
That's great. So I learned that you've been doing excellent in business agility, and Okalawa Flow Lab is one of the great concept to learn the flow. And so, would you like to say some overview or things about the Okalawa?
Yes.
With the audience?
Okay. Yeah. So many organizations are now more than just looking at agile development. They're looking at business agility in the entire organization. To a large extent, that also means that we need to be able to teach and coach agility to more types of people than we might be used to all levels in the organization, to all functions in the organization. So we need to learn to talk about agility in a way that everybody can understand. And so we also need a way to teach and coach agility to maybe to parts of the organization that we're not used to. And to a certain extent, that's what we're targeting with Flow Lab. That's why we're focusing so much on experiential learning. People need to feel it, and if they feel it, then they can understand it. So that's the path that we're trying to follow.
That's great. So, what do you think about the future of Kanban and Lean in India?
So I heard that again the conference is completely full.
Yes.
So it's a clear sign that something is happening. For ourselves, I also do feel that since last year things have developed, that there's more interest. So I'm actually looking forward to be able to work with you guys.
Thank you so much. That's great to hear. So, what message you have for the organizers?